Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find your player ID in Delta Force. If you need your player ID on Delta Force for friend request, support or tournaments, this tutorial will show you how. First of all, open up Delta Force application on your device and log in with your account if needed. Once you're inside the home page, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Here you will be able to see your profile history, details, accounts and customization tabs. Under profile, go to the bottom right and you will see your current name along with your player ID. Your player ID is displayed as a numeric code under your username. Simply tap the copy button right next to the code to copy the player ID on your device's clipboard. You can now write it down for future reference or for adding friends or contacting support. That's how you can exactly find your player ID in Delta Force. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.